Okay.
What are people's favorite animals? Hypothesis: most people like dogs. Science.
Excuse me. You have to turn around so they can see your face.
What are people's favorite animals? Hypothesis: most people like dogs. Scientific method: develop a survey asking their age, favorite animal, and if they have any pets. What kind of pets? Moodster made sure that to interview both people and children and balance. For balance. I called 18 people and recorded their answers to my questions and analyzed their data, and when I drew my conclusion. Thank you.
So then show them your...
Most people like dogs. 1, 2, 3 people liked birds. 6 people like dogs. 1 person liked polar bears. 1 person liked butterflies. 1 person liked turtles. And 4 people liked felines. And 1 person liked gorilla and 1 person liked giraffe. Did I read the one?
Yeah.
Feline animals is favorite animals is dogs. All dogs lovers had dogs. Second favorite feline. Most felines lovers have cats. The third feline lover. The third favorite is birds. No birds lovers had birds. Okay, dogs. 3 adults like dogs. 3 childs like dogs. 2 males like dogs. 4 females like dogs, and 6 people had dogs for pets. Let's move on to cats. And 1 adult liked cats. 3 children liked cats. 3 female liked cats. 1 male liked cats. 1 female liked. 3 female liked cats. 1 female liked cat. 1 female liked cats, and 3 people had pet cats. Let's move on to birds. 2 people liked birds. 2 adults liked birds. 1 child liked bird. 2 males liked birds, and 1 female liked birds, but no pet birds.
You say thank you.
Thank you.
And tell them what conclusion they
People who like dogs had pet dogs.
And say thank you.
Thank you. That was it.